Bacon na 10 years ang shelf life. Yan ang titingnan natin ngayon. Okay, Tactical Bacon by CMMG. Okay, so nung nag-iimbak tayo ng mga foodstuffs natin for, for prepping, naisip ko puro tuna, sardines, and corned beef. So ano kulang? Obviously pork. And ano ba the best pork dish na pwede natin makuha? That is bacon. Okay, so nakita ko to online a few years ago. Pero this specific one is from a friend. Okay, matagal na niyang iniimbak to, and he's given us this one can to open and syempre test out. Okay, so when you get these cans, wala silang expiration date. Okay, so what you get is a control number. Okay, so yung control number na yun, when you email the company, they'll tell you kung kailan talaga yung expiration date niya. Okay, so if you're gonna get this, you can buy these off of Amazon. You can email the vendor and ask them kailan yung expiration date niya. Okay, so when you're getting these, make sure you get the new ones. So, yan. That's it. Yung instructions niya, open can, receive bacon. Okay, so tara, sila natin. Okay, open na. Ganito yung makikita mo. Parang lamang yung papel. So, yan natin. See what's up. Yun. May oil. So, may oil siya. Magrasa, malangis, pero mabango. Okay, so yan siya. Hugas naman tayo ng kamay syempre. So yan. Medyo marami siya. Okay, halika dito, lapit mo. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Dami. Okay, sige. So, punin na muna natin. Alisin na natin siya sa packaging. So, ba? Medyo manipis tama. So medyo ano lang, no? Medyo marami. Dami. Okay, so yan lahat. Grabe, ang dami, okay? So, initial reklamo ko kanina was manipis. Pero, ang dami naman. Mukhang ulam to. Kung marami na mapapakain to. Basta may kanin lang. So, yun. So, tara, try natin. Okay, sige. So, ito, try natin. So, ilang taon na siya nakakan. Ready to eat. And let's go. Isa pa. Sarap eh. Okay. Medyo crumbly yung texture niya. Okay? So as soon as inunguya ko na, nagbe-break down yung yung bacon. So in a survival situation, so pag medyo desperado na, actually this is okay, edible naman. But let's see if kaya natin magawa ng remedyo. So ang gagawin natin, may batch tayo na ilalagay sa microwave, and then may batch tayo na ilalagay sa air fryer. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Try lang natin. Yan. Tapos ito. Para ako nasa Excelente para. Tara. Tapos spread lang natin. Yan. Pero okay na yan. Try lang natin. Wow. ano pa. Try na lang natin tong So anyway, ayun o, dami niyang oil na kasama. So kung gusto mo iprito man ito or gusto mo may libre ka ng mantika. So yun, plus yun. Okay? Medyo tungo, pero medyo nasobrahan ng onte. Huwag ka didikit. Yun, hindi dumikit. Buti no, hindi siya nagdi-disintegrate pag hina-handle natin. So, ngayon na natin microwave kasi pa siya. Mas okay ngayon. For some reason, mas nag-hold up after mo siya i-microwave. I don't know why. But mas okay consistency niya ngayon compared to like from the can. Wait lang. Sarap eh. But don't get me wrong, guys. So there is really something different. So medyo weird talaga. But given kung ano ba talaga siya, for what it is, it's canned bacon, ready to eat. So expect something. Ito, mainit pa. Medyo nasobrahan nata ako ng tosta dito. No. Para naging oily. Hindi ko trip. Or baka masyado na tosta. But yeah, no. How do I explain this? Parang yung taba na lang hinalalasahan ko. So nawala yung, wait lang, isa pa, ito tiyan natin, ito medyo meaty part. Ilang minutes ba yun? So parang, yeah, this is a disaster. Was it like 5 minutes at 200? Grabe. So, no. Last na pa. Para fair. No. Nasobrang. Like, 30 seconds in the microwave. It's all it takes. It's good to go. Alright, so that's it, guys. CMMG's Tactical Bacon. Actually, ito lang ata yung food review natin na hindi ko mauubos lahat. So we've done MREs, freeze-dried food. Sobrang dami guys itong serving. Itong tactical bacon. 10-year shelf life. Roughly, like, I got these for, you can get these for like, it's $60. So for the amount of bacon you're getting, for the amount of shelf life it has, I'd say, you can add this to your preps. Okay, so depende na lang siguro kung how much, how many of these store. But yeah, it's good guys. So pasado sa akin. That's it guys. If meron pa kayo bang survival foods or mga long-term shelf life food na gusto niyo subukan namin, just feel free to message us, give us suggestions, and yeah, we'll see what we can do. And that's it guys. I hope you liked our video, and we'll see you in the next one.